we have entered our cabin. I'm going to do a room tour, well, a cabin tour. I'm going to start at the door. So this is like some very important information. Okay, and don't forget, you got to put some type of card in this so you're able to turn your lights on. So I'm going to start in the bathroom. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Nice bathroom. I like the detail of those, what are those, flowers they put in there? I love that blue. So you got 2 glasses there. You got some shelves. Let's see how clean this toilet is. Nice clean toilet. Got you some soap there. Towels, hand towels, washcloth, a mat. I like this, the way the shower made. Look at that. Inside the little glass thing. I love the flooring. So that's the bathroom. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is your closet. And then over here, you have your couch. I'm not sure if this is a let-out couch or not. Yep, it looks like it let out into a bed, but I'm not sure about that. Some pictures on the wall. I love these pillows. They cute. And that's a nice size couch, friends. Yeah, that's a nice size couch. So I'm gonna go on up and we're gonna do a circle. Okay, so here's another closet. Okay, they got your safe. My husband gonna love that. He loves them safes. Got something back there. Here's more cabinet. More space. Your drawers. Okay. This is your bed. Oh, they got a little light over here. Look at the little shelf, friends. Look at that little teeny shelf. So this is the bed. Nice. They got some information here. Dress to impress. Over here is another this little area. Little couch. All I know is another spot to sit. It's cute. I can't with these little dresses. Yeah. It's just so teeny. Okay. So we have our room is an inside cabin with a window. And let's see what you see out our window. Let's see, I'm finna climb up here and see what we can see out of here. Let's see. Yeah. Now this is gonna be cute at night when it light up. So that's all. That's our view. Yep. Nice. So I'm gonna come on around and they got some other little things but you can hang stuff on. Look at that. That's cute. Okay. This is our waters. This how they come. Little spring waters. Okay, here go more space. Got dressers. Oh, they got the breakfast menus in here. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, your dryer. What's in here? Oh, nothing. We could just put clothes or, or whatever we want. Okay, here's a little space where you can keep you some stuff to stay cool, some drinks. Oh, it's nice and cool too. You know how some of them be hot? but it's nice and cool. Then we have a area where you can sit. So got a lot of information, you know, about the Wonder of the Seas, safety stuff, trending today, helpful tips for today, good to know. Your health is our priority. Cruise, compass, gone green, taking care of you. I like this. I like that. And then look, they got some masks in here. Hand sanitizer. Got a trash can. Yeah, this is nice. A mirror, not a window. So friends, for this to be an inside cabin with a window, this is a pretty big cabin. I'm going to stand right here and show y'all how it look from afar. Look at them. This is a big room. It is. It really is. You got so much space in here. So many spots to sit. I really like this room. So this is our cabin. Yes. On board the Wonders of the Sea. Here is all the plugs I forgot to tell you about for you to hook up all your electronics. Everything you need is right here.